Hi, welcome to Lala's World. Today's tutorial is the Cash App Invite Code $5 promo. Topics covered in this tutorial are how to get your code and ways to promote your code. First, what is Cash App offering? Basically, according to the website, and you can go to cash.app/help/us n-us/3124-cash-refer-friends and earn $5 when a friend uses your referral code to send $5 or more from a newly linked debit card within 14 days of opening an account. Basically, enter the referral code of the person who invited you to Cash App to receive your bonus. And if you still need help, you can contact their support. Okay, first, open your Cash App. If you don't have it, you can download it in your App Store. Next, click on your profile icon. Then click on Invite Friends, get $5. Your invite code is here on this screen. From here, one option is to enter in who you want to invite by name, SMS, or email. Or you can click the code to share with who you want to invite. You can receive multiple invites. As you can see, there are a lot of $5 referrals in my account, so you're not just limited to one referral. So now that you know how, let's talk about 3 ways to promote your code. The first is Retail Me Not. It's basically a coupon discount site. You would go to www.retailmenot.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. I'm already signed up, so I'm just going to go and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And here I'm going to click Submit a Coupon. In the store website box, type in cash.me. Make sure the online code is highlighted and checked. Then, in the code box, type in or paste your Cash App invite code. Then, put it in the description. I'm just going to put get $5 for signing up to Cash App. You can put whatever you want, but this is just what I typed. Then, when you're done, click Submit Offer. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. But basically, after you do this and it gets approved, when someone searches for a Cash App, the codes come up like this. The second way is to promote your code on social media. Basically, you share your code on all your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And lastly is the way I showed you guys earlier, which was directly inviting people through the app. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, like, subscribe, share, and check out the other videos on this channel.